080 will be the width and 1350 will be the height. Okay, so I will click on create new design. After that I will go to elements and here I will choose the pentagon shape. I will go to frames and here I will choose this pentagon shape. Okay, and I will bring it to the top here and make it smaller, and after that I will duplicate it another time and another time for this side also, and so 5 pentagons are here. Now I will just hold this one and rotate it to 37 degrees. Next, this one will be 73 degrees. Okay, and make sure you are making some distance out of it, out of the frames, so that it becomes a bit more compact design. So, and this one will be just the mirror, which is 37 will be minus 37 here, and this one will be minus 73. Okay, now let's adjust them. Okay, so adjustment is also done. Now I will just select all of them and move a bit upward. Okay, and after that I will use the images, and for these images I have visited this pixels.com and I have downloaded these images, which is uploaded by Franklin Tag, and I have just downloaded these images of the same model. Okay, so that it becomes a perfect portrait or a perfect trending photo. So I have already uploaded them, as you can see, and I will use them for my designs. Okay, so this one will be in the middle and this one will be in the right side, which means in the 37 degree rotated frame. So for that, if you just upload it here, you can see that the photo is getting tilted to 37 degrees. So to make it a straight photo, you need to just tilt it to the opposite direction, which is minus 37 degrees, and just use it here. So as you can see, the photo is straight now, and after that we will follow the same format in the left side, which is minus 37. So I will tilt it to plus 37 and upload it, and for this too I will just use the minus 73 here for the right hand side and plus 73 for the left hand side. Now I will just adjust the images according to the size. Now I will use this image in the middle. So for this I will go to edit and use the background remover icon. So as you can see, the background is removed. Now I will just scroll down here to find shadows. Click on drop and I will use the default drop shadow here, and I will not change anything of it. After that, I will just make the photo bigger. And after that, to make the portrait look more prominent, I will add another effect here, and so for that I will write here shadow, and this time I will go to graphics and use this one, this shadow, and after that I will go to edit and scroll down to find duotone here, select custom, and in the shadows part I'll use the color as 335379. So this is the code which I'll be using, and this color looks great and I have already tested it, so I'll be using this one. And after that I'll just adjust it with the frame. And so after adjusting, I will right click it, click on layer, send to back, and your effect is ready and good to go. And you can see the effect is looking absolutely prominent here, and you can use it for any of your designs or any of your portrait editing like this. Hope you like this tutorial. This is a simple yet professional photo editing, and it is currently trending on various social media. So you can just try this effect and make your designs look more vibrant and stunning. Thank you.